Managing wallpapers on your iPhone 16 helps keep your lock screen options organized by removing unused or unwanted wallpaper designs. Here's how to do it. To begin, press the side button to access the lock screen of your iPhone. Once you're in the lock screen, tap once on the screen to ensure you're on the lock screen view. Now, touch and hold on the lock screen until it zooms out to show all wallpaper sets. To continue, navigate to the wallpaper you want to remove. Once found, swipe up on the selected wallpaper. Doing so activates the delete or trash icon beneath the display. Tap the delete wallpaper or trash icon at the bottom to proceed. Finally, review the warning prompt, then confirm by tapping delete this wallpaper. You can repeat these steps to remove additional wallpapers from your iPhone. Note that the deleted wallpaper is no longer available as an option to set as your device's background. You can choose or set a new wallpaper as background by heading to the wallpaper settings, then follow the steps to customize the lock screen and home screen wallpaper. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.